In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Moosend. We'll walk through the complete flow from starting a new campaign to pressing send or setting a schedule. Before we begin, make sure you have a verified sender address and at least one audience list ready so you can move smoothly through the setup. Start on your Moosend dashboard and go to the campaign section, then select Create New. This opens the campaign wizard, which guides you step by step. Think of this as your campaign's control center, where you'll define what you're sending, to whom, and when. Next, choose your campaign type. If you're sending a straightforward newsletter or promotion, pick a regular campaign. If you want to test two subject lines or variations of your content, choose an A/B test campaign so the platform can compare performance and automatically determine a winner based on your criteria. If your content is tied to updates from a feed or a repeating series, select the option that fits that pattern. Your choice here shapes the options you'll see later, so pick what aligns with your goal. Now add your subject line and sender details. Keep your subject line clear, specific, and benefit-driven, and consider adding preview text to complement it. This is the short line that appears next to the subject in many inboxes. For the sender name, use something recognizably tied to your brand, and set the sender email to a domain you control and have authenticated. Small changes here can have a big impact on open rates and deliverability. With the basics in place, select your audience. Choose the list you want to target, and if needed, apply segments to narrow your recipients based on traits like engagement, location, or past purchases. You can also exclude segments if you don't want certain contacts to receive this message. Take a moment to confirm the estimated recipient count and that your list is clean and compliant. It's time to design the email. Pick a template or start from scratch in the drag and drop editor. Keep your layout scannable with a strong headline, concise copy, compelling images with alt text, and a clear call to action button. Make sure links work, brand colors and fonts are consistent, and your footer includes the necessary contact details and an unsubscribe option. Preview on desktop and mobile, and send a test email to yourself to catch typos or layout issues before going live. Finally, decide whether to send now or schedule. If you schedule, choose the date, time, and time zone that best matches your audience's habits. Review the summary screen, confirm tracking settings, and when everything looks right, confirm the send. That's it, your Moosend campaign is on its way.